and it's gonna tap dance on your taste buds. Trust me. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sean Taylor again, coming from the Fusion Fit Life Kitchen. And guys, we have literally a sweet treat for you guys. But before we get into that, guys, if you really want to do the fitness thing right and know what to eat and how to treat your body right, keep it locked right here on the Fusion Fit Life, because that's what we do. We show you how to bridge fitness and life and food and all of that yummy stuff together without FOMO, fear of missing out and not adding to that waistline. If you like that sort of thing, smash that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to let you guys know whenever we post another video. Now, let's get into this thing. Today we are literally bringing you a sweet treat. We just got finished one of the big ones, the big candy holiday. What is that? Halloween. So, you know, I didn't want to get into the whole Snickers thing and all that sort of thing, but you know what? I wanted to have a sweet treat of my own. So I'm thinking, you know what is the best way for me to do that? And of course, I contacted my wacky friends over there at the Rock Solid Nutrition. And of course, we hooked up and we created something special for you guys. So we actually took cake batter and we fused it with our favorite nut butters. So we actually got almond butter and peanut butter, and we fused it with cake batter. And guys, it is delicioso. At the end of this video, I'm gonna post a link to how we created this chocolate covered cake butter balls, and these things are delicious. These are actually like the healthy spin on the Reese's peanut butter cups, but we actually did something a lot better. The yummy goodness on the inside is actually peanut butter and cake batter mixed together with just a hint of vanilla extract. That's it. So 3 ingredients, and it's gonna take a little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of that shoulder. You guys are gonna be mixing it up. You guys are gonna be mixing it up and mixing it up, right? We're gonna set that aside. We're gonna put that in the refrigerator and kind of let that firm up a little bit. Then we're gonna take some Ghirardelli's 55% chocolate, 5 different recipes to come up with the perfect chocolate covered cake butter balls for you guys. And I'm telling you, this stuff is delicious. All right, and you will not, you won't add to the waistline at all, and it's gonna tap dance on your taste buds. Trust me. We're actually gonna take some of those, put that into a double boiler, and then just let the heat from the water just kind of melt the chocolate. It's gonna melt it all the way down. It's gonna melt it good. Then we go back to the fridge, we pull out the cake butter, and we portion the cake butter up in 1 tablespoon allotment. Okay, now for the almond butter, you actually want to go half a tablespoon instead of a full tablespoon, because the oils from the almond butter tends to make it a little runny, and so you want to go half that. Okay, at any rate, so what you're gonna have is your perfect portion size is 1 tablespoon for peanut butter, half a tablespoon for almond butter. All right, and then you just take that, you put it in the individual molds, and then you simply pour the chocolate on top, right? And it's just a small thin candy shell. And the sweet treat of it, the part that actually is the most nutritious, believe it or not, that is the cake butter, which is a combination of the nut butter and the cake batter fused together with just a splash of vanilla extract. And then you pop it in the freezer. All right, you let that set up for about 20 minutes, and guys, we have it right here. All right, this is actually dark chocolate. And why dark chocolate, guys? Because dark chocolate is vitamin D, polyphenols. It has all the healthy stuff to help you fight off those free radicals and oxidants caused by the stresses of life. So you want to do things that's actually going to help your body get to where it wants to be. Remember, when you're in your 40s and your 50s, you know, your body doesn't process micronutrients the way that it used to, so you're going to need to introduce that via your food. All right, so that's why we chose dark chocolate. And of course, the yummy goodness on the inside, that's your nut butter and your cake batter. So you got your nut butter, which is everybody's favorite. Then of course you have your cake batter, you fuse that together. There's your nutritional goodness, and you got just a hint of sweetness from the outer candy shell of the dark chocolate with the vitamin D and the polyphenols, helping you to have those abs and the muscles and the cuts that you need via your food. So remember, if you want that, you want to eat this, not your food. Did you catch that? You see what I did there? Not your food. So at any rate, that's what you want to do here. So guys, for the Fusion Fit Nation, I'm Sean Taylor. I'm going to enjoy my sweet treats, and I will see you guys at the gym.